Why, hello, dear. Is this Celestia? Is that really you? I've been looking all over for you for many years, and I finally found you. And it's such a surprise. Oh dear. Oh, you don't have to look anymore. What? You must take this thing. You must take this. This will make you stronger. This will make you stronger. Stronger? This one huge thing. We're going to beat this. It might not seem as huge. Oh, it's pretty tiny. Wah! Gold is super. I think I'm flying in circles. Why does life have to be so hard? Gotta go. Uh-oh. That's one superpower that I don't think I can defeat. This is one superpower I cannot defeat. Hello? Who are you, sir? It's a ma'am to you, Mamie. Baby, I'm going to take this to the next level. To be continued.